Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone and vehicle support custom CarPlay backgrounds. This is crucial. Once confirmed, plug in the Lightning or USB-C cable or complete wireless pairing, then open CarPlay on your car display. Make sure to navigate to the screen where background or wallpaper is shown, often under Maps or Home. You do this immediately so you can change images instead of navigating menus later. It speeds the process and prevents accidental disconnects while you prepare the image. Now you select and prepare the image. On your iPhone, open Photos and crop to match CarPlay framing. This improves readability of icons. Once edited, use the share sheet to send the file to Files or directly to your head unit if it appears. If your car needs a USB drive, export the image as JPEG or PNG and copy it to a FAT32 or XFAT formatted stick. After importing, return to CarPlay display and choose the new image. This replaces the wallpaper immediately. Finish by applying the background and verifying the result. You tap Apply in CarPlay and check that icons remain legible against the new image. Adjust contrast or choose a simpler picture if needed. If the wallpaper does not appear, restart CarPlay or reboot the head unit, then re-import the file. Make sure to update iOS and head unit firmware if problems persist. That fixes many compatibility issues. If it still fails, confirm file format, size, and that the USB or wireless connection is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.